Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. 2 days before, we had released one Bank Nifty strategy for free. We said it is worth of rupees 10,000 rupees. How we are saying it is worth of 10,000 rupees? Because the same strategy is being sold in the market for 10,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees in the form of Excel sheet. They are calling it Pro or something else, Bank Nifty Pro something. They are calling. There is nothing in the strategy. It is very simple, but it works 70% of the time. Whenever market is trending, so that time it will work. Whenever market is sideways, it will not work. Since people asked for strategies for free, we are trying to give some strategy on free basis. Okay, now in our by MST ICO 3.0, we have added the extra features like session breakout trade. Session breakout trade. So by default, it will be 9:15 to 3:30. Now I'm going to show you the strategy 9:15 to 9:30 high and low. So now I have fixed the time. So next one I have to enable the high session high. See here, select this MST central pivot point 1, then session high. Then MST central pivot point 2, then session low. And third point also we have given, that is the midpoint of high and low. Clear? Now automatically it will be drawn. The next important one we have to add is the first moving average, that is EMA 9. So everything we have added. Before I continue the strategy, if you are new to our YouTube channel and if you have not yet subscribed to YouTube channel, please subscribe and then give a like. Also enable the bell button so that whatever we are releasing, you will get the notification immediately. And if you want free updates, please join our free Telegram group named MST School of Trading. Thank you all. Now coming back to our strategy. So in the previous video, I had explained you these important points that we have to enable moving average 9 and the 9:15 high and 9:15 to 9:30 high and low. Now what is the condition? The condition is based on the EMA. If the EMA is below the candle, if the EMA is below the candle and the high of the candle is broken, then we have to go for the buy entry. The target is the range of the candle. Whatever is the range, that will be your first target. See here, it has achieved more than the range. So immediately in third candle itself, we have got the target. So after that, there was a full range bound. After that, there was a full range bound. Now today, market is going to open. If market has opened 35,715 above, then we can see one more rally. If market has opened below 35,562, then we can see the bearish market. Okay, this is very simple. Similarly, in a sell condition, I show you for sell condition also. See here, automatically it is drawn. I don't have to draw anything. Okay, 9:15 to 9:15 to 9:30 high and low is automatically drawn. Now tell me whether this trade is valid or not. First 15 minutes high and low we have marked, and high of the candle is broken. So this is valid or not? This is not valid. Why? Because the EMA is above the candle. The EMA line is above the candle. We have to look only for the sell entry. We have to look only for the sell entry if the low of this candle is broken. And another confirmation, what you can see, come here on the last button, you click on this show volume candle. If the breaking candle is having more volume like this, see here, if it is breaking with the high volume, then we can say it is the high confirmation. It is the another confirmation. See here, this candle, the low is not broken, and here it has broken with the this is not valid because the 9 EMA should be below the candle. It is in the center point, so not valid. So this point, it is for the buy entry, but high is not broken. So here It is for the sell entry, low is not broken, and here this is for the sell entry, but this is not valid because the EMA line should be completely away from the first 15 minutes candle. So the next 15 minutes candle is completely away from the 9 EMA. So now once the low of the second candle is broken, then you can go for the sell entry. If you are an aggressive trader and since it is having the high volume, once the low of the first candle is broken, there also you can go for the sell entry. So here we should look only for the buy entry, not sell entry, because the 9 EMA is below the candle. Okay. So if you have taken buy entry here, see the candle which is breaking the high, having good volume. So we have got some profit. So here high is broken only at the end of the session. Only at 3 o'clock the high is broken and we have got some profit. So here this is valid, high is broken and we have got small profit and we have got the SL hit. What will be the SL? The low of the first 15 minutes candle or some points below that. So we are not telling this also will give you 100% result. Overall it will give you good profit. So here very good entry. First candle is very big red candle and the EMA is above the candle. So once the low of this candle is broken, we can go for the sell entry. See the target, we have achieved the target. And the previous day also sell entry activated, target achieved. And the previous day we should look only for the buy entry since the EMA line is below the candle. So buy entry is not activated, and if there is any other candle which is completely away from the 9 EMA, then note down the high and low of that candle, and once the low is broken, go for the sell and keep the SL previous swing high as the SL. So now in this case, this candle, that is 10 o'clock candle is completely away from 9 EMA. You just mark this high and low. Once the low is broken with a high volume, go for the sell. Here only it is broken. After that the high is not broken. If the high is broken with a high volume, go for buy with the low of this candle as the SL. Okay. So that also you can do. And this one is a sell entry. Mark down the high and low. We have got the entry. Only few points we got the profit. Immediately SL hit. So SL is the part of the trading. So don't forget. Keep trading, you will get a good profit. You please backtest this before you apply your real money. And we are not SEBI registered. We are giving this only for educational purpose. Before you apply in live market, please consult with your financial advisor. Okay. So yesterday we got a wonderful example. So today we made a video. Thank you all for watching our videos. And as far as our indicator is concerned, MSCI Core 2.0. So which is having all the possibilities in it. So yesterday I show you in crude oil what is the performance of the crude oil. See, this is the initial case. So this line is formed in the morning once the market has opened. So what happened? First buy got activated. Then we have to ignore the sell. So what happened? I enabled the first buy targets. Okay. See here, first buy targets. First target is 5699. It is exactly activated. It is exactly hit. So first buy activated, first target hit. Our trading got over here itself. That's all. No more trade for the day. If you want to trade again and again we got the sell entry here, second entry. Okay. Then enable second sell targets. See here, targets hit. Second sell entry, targets hit. So this I have kept small SL. If I keep tiny SL, then you can see you will get all the targets got hit. See here, all the targets hit. So we have given the option 1:1, 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, 1:5, 1:6. So whichever you want, you can book the profit. So secondly, again buy activated, first target hit. Again sell activated, first target hit. See here, first buy, first target hit. Second sell, first target hit. Almost second target also hit. Again, first buy activated, target hit. Again, second sell activated, target hit. So 4 times yesterday we got the profit in the crude oil. But thing is, you must be disciplined. Whatever is the SL, you must keep the SL. Whatever is the target, you must respect the target. Whatever is the entry, only at the entry point you have to take the entry. Okay, so this is the default settings I have shown. Other important point we can show you MST other calculation. Okay, so if you see here, the low was 5666, 5666, and our entry was 5667. So this is another opportunity what we will be getting in our indicator. Another opportunity. So here also first target hit, second cell also first target hit, again first buy first target hit, again second cell second first target hit. Okay, and in the late night what happened? Market has closed below the second cell entry. If market is coming again back to 5648, we can sell. Only above 5674 we can buy as per the previous day trend. Okay, thank you all for watching our videos. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Also please encourage to all your trading friends. So here I have not given separate SL, but if you want a separate SL, here itself you can get it. See here. So here I have given the separate SL. Go for first cell SL. You can keep it. I will enable the first cell SL where it is here. See here, the first cell SL and second by entry both are same. So if you don't understand, then you can follow this method. In additional settings we have given all these possible options. So whichever you want, you can make use of this. Okay, thank you all. Please keep trading as per the rules what we have given. And we are not SEBI registered. Once again, we are reminding, please consult your financial advisor before you put your real money. Thank you all. Bye bye.